Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're just stumbling across my videos, then my name is Rayanne Abbott. I'm an interior designer and I do fashion, beauty, cleaning, lifestyle, and vlog style videos. So if you like those types of videos, then I would love for you to subscribe. And with all of that said, let's jump into today's video. So for today's video, I am going to be packing my bag to go on a 3-day trip with Alex to go see Alex's family in BC. And I'm gonna show you everything that I'm bringing. And to top it all off, I did just get a bag from stella&dot, and I'm very excited to show it to you guys. This is what the bag looks like. It's been sitting in my living room for the longest time, but I wanted to wait until today to be able to show you. And then I also got another thing from stella&dot that I'm going to be showing you in this video as well. So if you want to see the rest of this video, then please keep watching. Alright, so it's a little bit of a mess behind me, but that is because I am in the middle of packing everything and putting out everything that I need to bring with me. So it's a little bit crazy back there, but just disregard. So this is what the stella&dot bag looks like. It is pretty much supposed to be a gym bag, but I thought that it would be perfect for times like this. It seems like we are going to be seeing more and more, especially this year, than ever before. So I thought that this would be a perfect bag for that. So it's kind of like fabric on the bottom, and it has a flat base so that you can put it down. It also opens all the way around so that you can put your shoes inside. And inside it's like a vinyl material so that if you have wet shoes or something, it's not going to wreck the bottom of your bag. Kind of has that kind of a fabric. It has a little pocket in the front, and it also has two littler straps and then a large strap to put around your shoulders. Like I said, I waited until this day to show you guys this bag, so that's why there's still plastic and stuff on it, which was really hard because I really like to look at things when I get them. So this is the first purchase that I've ever made from stella&dot, and honestly, like, it wasn't that expensive, and I do really like the material, and it got here really fast. I think that this quality is really good. The tops of the handles have these like leather detailing on it. It also, you can like take off the straps if you want. This is what the inside looks like. So it's the same material that's on the bottom of the bag, and it has another little zipper up here. Because it's supposed to be pretty much a gym bag, it has a cool detail in here. It has a place to put your water bottle, and then it also has two more little pockets right in the side here. That is what the bag looks like. I have been super excited to show this to you forever. I think that this bag was $160, which is one of their more expensive bags. They do have a lot that are purposely made for travel, and they have it so that like you unzip this part and it extends and it gets bigger, but I really liked this one, and I think it'll be perfect for going on the flight tonight. And then I also got this bag. This is a little poof from stella&dot. I've been super into floral print lately, so that is the bag that I decided to get. I think that is really cute with the floral detailing, and it has the little metal arrow right here, and I like the quality. I think that it's gonna hold up through a lot of things. This is what it looks like inside. I'm really into stripes and floral, so I think that that's really perfect. On the inside it says, "Your adventure awaits." So these are the two bags that I did get from stella&dot. I think this one might have been 25-ish. Maybe. And I don't normally buy makeup bags, but I just thought since we were going that this would be perfect. I'm now going to pack them with everything that I'm going to be taking on my trip with me, and I will show you everything. Okay guys, so I'm going to be packing all of my makeup stuff into this bag. I think that a really good trick when you are trying to pack all your makeup stuff is to pack while you're doing your makeup. While I was filming this, I did actually have to redo my makeup from work in the morning, so I decided to take all my makeup off and then redo it all, and every single time I would use something, I would just set it to the side so that I could remember to put it in my bag for later. First things first, I am going to be taking my Marcel foundation. You have seen this in multiple videos from me, along with the brush that I have been using to put the foundation on with. The next thing that I'm going to put in there is my moisturizer and my primer, which when you're going on a plane, you want to make sure that everything is under 100 milliliters or else they will probably take it away. So I've made sure that this one is 50 milliliters. The next thing is my concealer and my beauty blender, and then I'm going to put my e.l.f. contour palette that I have also used in another video, and then my go-to NYC really old eyeshadow because it's small. All the brushes that I use for my eyeshadow, and then my eyebrow pencil and my eyeliner pencil. Duo of mascara that I have been using. I find that using 3 of them really makes your eyelashes pop. eyebrow gel that I put on after I put my eyebrow pencil on. I'm going to be putting my contour brush and my highlighter brush. HD Cargo highlighter that I got from the FitFat box. Just my pencil sharpener because you can never leave without it. And then I also am going to put in this little guy. This is perfect if you have any unwanted hair in your eyebrows or upper lip or anything like that. You can quickly take it off that and there. And that is everything that I'm going to have in this bag. So it is pretty full. But everything does fit nicely, so I think that is good. And that is what I have in my makeup bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and put in all of my clothing and pack my entire bag so that you can see everything that I am using when I go on this 3-day quick trip. So this is my purse. I did go and buy this little clutch. All I did is I put some of the stuff that I would regularly just have floating around in my purse in here. And then it helps to keep it all upright so that everything doesn't just pool in the bottom and then create a big fat base of the bottom of your purse. And then the zipper won't close. I just use this, and then if I want to ever not bring this big purse, I can just take everything out of here and just put in what I want to just take with me. And then you have a little clutch that you can always take with you. It goes here in the middle, and then you can see that it closes nice and perfect. I am going to be putting my battery for my camera in here, just so that I have it with me if my camera battery dies, because I'm going to be vlogging the entire time. So that is what I am going to be putting in my purse. I'm also going to be taking my laptop with me so that I can edit on the plane. So I'm going to be taking my laptop charger, my mouse for my laptop. I'm actually going to put my laptop in my purse so that I don't have to switch between both bags. Originally I was going to put it in the bottom of my stella&dot bag, but I think that it would be easier to put it in my purse so I don't have to go and find it and take it out of a different bag. So I'm gonna have my bag like this with my laptop in it. Okay, so this is my stella&dot bag. I'm going to first put my pajamas in. 3 pairs of socks. I always want to take more socks than necessary because I always hate it when they get wet or your feet stink or anything like that, so I always take more socks than necessary. 1 pair of pajamas, and a little tip, if you are packing and you're trying to fit more stuff, you can roll it like this and it will take up less space in your bag. I usually do this when I'm packing for both Alex and I, but he actually packed his own bag this time. So then on Saturday we are going to be going to a tulip festival. So I'm going to be wearing jeans and this really cute shirt that I got from Reitman's, little ruffles on the sleeve. So I'm going to be wearing that on Saturday with an undershirt. I wear undershirts under literally everything. Then for Sunday we have the funeral. So I have 2 options. I am going to either wear this dress, which I think that I'm actually going to wear. It's a cute little halter and it ties up on this side. It's about knee length and it's just flowy and pretty. I think that I am actually going to wear this one. I did have an option with the shirt that I was wearing and then a skirt pulled up. I think I'll bring it just in case, but I think this is the one I'm going to choose. And then I have just a long black skirt as the second option. And for both of those options, I brought just this long pink overcoat just in case it is a little bit chilly out. And then I am also bringing a sweater. I always like to bring a sweater, but I always wear it on the plane. My makeup bag, this is my camera case, and it has a whole bunch of extra memory cards and batteries, and usually I'll carry my camera in here, but I'm going to put this in this bag just because I'm going to be using my camera. Phone charger. I always bring one of these so I can put my hair up at night. I'm going to be bringing my brushes and all of my hair stuff. So I put that on the top along with my hair straightener, tripod, but I will just be holding on to it with my camera. So I have my toothbrush and toothpaste. Remember, I am only taking a carry-on, so I can't take things that are bigger than 100 milliliters. I have my dry shampoo just in case. EOS in there, my lotion. I'm going to be putting my heels in the bottom. I am going to be bringing some makeup wipes, but I obviously don't want to bring this whole entire package, so I'm just going to take a couple of them out. I usually take more than I need just in case, and then I fold them and put them in a plastic bag. So then it's way littler to put it in a plastic bag. I'm also going to be taking this necklace that I got from Reitman's a couple days ago. It's just a really long necklace that sits just at the perfect height, so I will also be putting this in a little baggie like this so that it's easy to move around. So I think that that is everything that I will be putting in that bag. I'm sure there's things that I will be remembering all throughout the night and I will be shoving in there. But I am also going to put my heels in the bottom of this bag as well as Alex's shoes because he doesn't have enough room in his bag to put his shoes in there. So I will be putting that in the bottom, and because my bag is built for that, I think that it's better to put the shoes in my bag than his. So these are Alex's shoes. Testing the limits of the bag a little bit, but it worked. I do have a few gifts that we will be bringing for Sebastian and Lucas and for Adrienne and his mom for Mother's Day, so I will be putting it in a separate bag. And Alex only has one bag, so I think that he will be taking this as his second bag. I don't think that I will be taking any shampoo or conditioner or anything like that, just because I don't think that I'm going to need it. We're only there for 2 days, so I can definitely shower when I get back. The only thing that I might want to take is a razor, and I don't think that you can take those on the plane. So we might have to go and stop and grab one when we're there, but other than that, I think that's it. All right, so that is everything that I will be taking with me on this weekend trip. Let me know if there's anything that you thought I forgot in the comments, and I will also update if there's anything that I actually did forget, because I feel like I always forget something. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. As always, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.